Ready to go?
Affirmative.
Affirmative. Closed and locked.
Closed and locked.
Two 815. Hickory Tower, Cherokee 9611 Juliet's holding short on 6, ready to take off.
Number 9611 Juliet, Hickory Tower. Winds variable 3. Proceed direct Grand Strand. Runway 6. Cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, 11 Juliet. Density altitude's high today.
Thought so.
Nobody's running in. Nobody behind. Alright, heels are down. Let's go. Airspeed's alive, green, 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 RPMs are good. Vacuum's good. Bolts are good. 40. 50. Bird. Keep going 60, let's go. See that bird?
Yes.
Just stay where it is. Oh my goodness. You jumped, did you feel that?
Lift it up.
Uh-huh.
Take a look.
Alright, turn to it.
Number 9611 Juliet. Contact Atlanta Center on 125.15.
2515, see ya.
Sit. Sight.
Altimeter 3051, I will notify when I have Hickory in sight.
Atlanta Center, Cherokee 9611 Juliet, 2100, climbing 5500.
42, good day. November 409er Alpha Kilo, contact Tri-City approach 134.42. 134.42 for 9 Alpha Kilo, good day.
Atlanta Center, Cherokee 9611 Juliet, 2300, climbing 5500.
Cherokee 611 Juliet, Atlanta Center, roger, radar contact, 2.5 miles to the east of the Hickory Airport, Hickory altimeter 3051, maintain VFR.
11 Juliet.
Atlanta Center, 7501 Sierra. Atlanta Center, 7501 Sierra, how do you hear?
I'm 76 knots, or yeah, we're past best climb now. En route climb, fuel pump's not off yet.
Number 11 Juliet, contact Charlotte approach on 128.32, good day.
28321 Juliet, good day. Charlotte approach, Cherokee 9611 Juliet, 2800, climbing 5500.
Number 9611 Juliet, shot approach, altimeter 3050.
3050, 1 Juliet. 139.
Number 79 Romeo Station, approach me visual, runway 2 at Concord, altimeter 3050. Number 484 Echo Charlie, Charlotte.
Awesome. You hear that?
Okay, and the aircraft going to Owens Field, give me that call sign in your current position, please. Air 3194 extra shot approach, altimeter 3050. 807 Bravo Hotel, shot approach, shuttle altimeter 3050. Number 384 Echo Charlie, Charlotte.
Shot approach Cherokee 11 Juliet will be cleared into the Bravo, or do we need to remain clear?
Air 11 Juliet, remain clear of the Bravo.
Remain clear Bravo, 11 Juliet.
Air 7 Bravo Hotel, turn 10 degrees right. Crew check 604, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left, crew check 604.
Charlotte 484 Echo Charlie 6000.
484 Echo Charlie, shot approach, be visual to 2 at Concord Sierra. Descend and maintain 3000, proceed directly to Concord.
Direct to the airport down to 3. Unfortunately, in the north runway, we have to do the RNAV.
Great, no problem. Echo Charlie, you can maintain 3000 and fly heading up 220.
220, 3000 for Echo Charlie, thank you.
This is super duper awesome.
Right about that, man.
Number 90611 Julie, you're cleared through the shot class Bravo, maintain VFR at below 5,500. I just have to back to you a little bit for it. Fly heading 120.
120 cleared in the Bravo at 5,500.
I believe there's an aircraft with an X-ray in the call sign going to CUB, Charlie Uniform Bravo, go ahead.
At or below 5,500.
Great, and what's your current position for the 0 Sierra X-ray going to Owens? I'm sorry, where are you? Okay, I see you there. Number 340 X-ray, stand by for a code.
Get up a little higher before.
Number 340 X-ray, reset transponder, squawk 1723.
A little higher, a little quicker. Set up the cruise.
Like butter, baby.
Yeah, well, I got set up to descend real fast because we were getting close. That's
Okay, smooth. What I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
How far are we from the beach?
1 hour and 36 minutes.
Oh yeah, I know we are.
Yeah, so you just watch your shows, okay?
Yeah, I know we are. I saw a video on how to overlay all of this onto your GoPro videos.
Oh. You gonna try it?
No, it looked not the easiest thing for me to
Okay. Yeah, I'm barely beginner level.
Air 4 Echo Charlie, turn 20 degrees left. Expect to join just south of Ikega.
20 left, we'll go, 4 Echo Charlie.
Air 340 X-ray radar contact 6 miles southwest of Rock Hill. Verify your altitude.
Michael, look at all the solar farms on your right.
Number 02X, roger. Charlotte altimeter is 3050.
They're under the wing right now, but you'll see them pop out.
I didn't think they clear us directly through, so we might get good views here.
Ooh, so cool.
Stay on this heading.
Woohoo! Special. This is super duper cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. How's your headset doing?
Good.
Good.
Okay, Michael? Yeah.
Air 7 Bravo Hotel, could I track him? You can proceed on course to RCZ, number 7 Bravo Hotel.
We'll level off up here in a moment.
Air 7 Bravo Hotel, you can proceed on course to your destination.
Ooh, it's cold down there, ain't it?
Feels good.
Blowing up my pants.
Everybody comfortable back there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Shell approach, crew track 380s at 1,500, climbing 3,000, 016 heading.
Crew track 380, shell departure to contact, climb and maintain 5,000.
Crew track 380, climb, maintain 5,000.
All right, let's pick up.
Number 9 Romeo Sierra, descend and maintain 3,000.
Now we're set. Right there is good.
Squad is 53 Foxtrot Delta, level 5,000.
Air 333, Foxtrot Delta, shell approach, shell altimeter is 3050, let me know the weather, Rock Hill, expect a visual approach.
3050, we'll expect a visual, we'll let you know when we got the weather, 3 Fox Delta.
Air 11 Juliet, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left on Julie.
Shell 556 Whiskey Fox, 10-5 for 7030 heading.
Air 556 Whiskey Fox, shell approach, descend and maintain 5,000, flighting 360.
Alright, 5,000, 360 Whiskey Fox.
Stop climbing.
333 Fox Delta, we got the weather.
Air 3 Foxtrot Delta, roger.
Owie, owie. Look at all that water.
Number 904 X-ray, traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles southeast, bound altitude 4,000, unverified.
Don't pull on that.
What's he pulling on?
Right.
Air 3 Foxtrot Delta, turn 10 degrees right, vector for departing aircraft.
10 degrees right, 3 Fox Delta.
Oh, look at that water.
You see it?
Yeah.
A lot of it.
Wow, so cool.
Crew track 380, leaving 3,000, proceed on course to Winston-Salem.
Leaving 3,000, proceed on course to Winston-Salem, crew track 380.
Air 4 Echo Charlie, rating 280.
280 for Echo Charlie.
Oh, look at that water.
I see it, man.
Michael, you see Charlotte?
Yeah.
It's in the haze out there. Past the water.
Ooh, so cool. Ooh. Ooh. So cool. So cool, actually. So cool. So cool. So
Air 6 Whiskey Foxtrot, proceed direct Hickory and connect Atlanta Center 125.15.
Alright, direct Hickory 2515 Whiskey Fox.
that's actually so cool. Who knows what I'm gonna do today?
What's pretty today? Look, Grant, you see the lake islanders?
Yeah, I can see it. Looks like an X.
Does it?
Yeah, it does. Kinda cool. Hey, do you see that lake over there?
I do see it. I go right over it.
Yeah, do you see
Florida Charlie, 7 miles from Sega, turn right heading 350, maintain 3,000 steps on final approach course, clear RNAV, runway 2 approach Concord. Alright, 350, 3 will establish clear for the RNAV, runway 2 for Echo.
that?
There's 78 Bravo Hotel, flighting 100, be vector of Top Charlotte Airport.
I can't hear him back there.
Howdy.
Yes, sir.
You see those jets right there?
What did I say?
Yeah, those Jesse.
I don't, man.
Yes. It's not itty bitty. Oh, they're so tiny. And everything else is so tiny. Hey. Hey, the cars are tiny too. The cars are tiny, huh?
Crazy, ain't it?
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Grant.
You see that right there?
What you pointing at?
The water right there?
Straight up, there's a lot of water. Look on the other side, there's even more.
Look at Michael's side.
Whoa.
484 Echo Charlie, radar service terminated. Keep your code. Contact Concord Tower 13465. Have a good day. 3465. Have a good day, Echo.
So cool. So cool. Whoa.
Woo.
That little bit of land there looks like a crab claw.
It does. It does. It does.
Or like a turtle mouth.
Yeah, it does too. It does look like a turtle mouth. It does look like a turtle mouth. Looks like a chicken mouth.
All right, Grant, calm down, please.
Okay.
He's excited.
Yeah.
That thing does a lot better with the cutting out the noise.
Cruise check 3, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles out of gates 3,100. Additional traffic 2 o'clock, 5 miles out of gates 4,500. Aircraft type unknown. Roger, will be on the lookout 380.
Really is a massive lake.
Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah. Everything is so tiny. Look at my side, Michael. Look at this.
Ooh.
It's such a nice land. Huh? It's such a nice land. Looks like a mermaid.
You see one?
Yeah.
Number 333, Foxtrot Delta to maintain 4,000.
This is maintain 4,000, 3 Fox Delta.
Those cars look like
Cruise check 380 with information Quebec at Winston Sailing requesting the RNAV runway 33.
Cruise check 3, you can make that approach. You make that request with green spurting. Take talking about 15 miles. Roger, thank you.
Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Those cars look like a rocket.
Cruise check 604, you can see the direct Hotel X-ray Delta.
See direct destination career check is 204.
It's so clear that it doesn't look, I mean, it looks like when we're flying like 2,000 feet above the ground.
Like a big boy out there.
Oh yeah, we're pretty close to their approach. To either Charlotte or to, depending on which way they're coming, to Concord.
Number 7 Bravo Hotel flight 095.
You see Charlotte real clear now, Mike.
Uh-huh.
How many more?
So departure, good afternoon. Sirius 5410, Romeo 2.1, climbing 3.
5410, mirror Charlotte departure radar. Contact Charlotte timber 3050, reaching 2,500. Turn right on course ISO. Maintain 5,000.
That's 0.50, and you said at 2,500, we can turn right on course.